In this AZ Instant Payday review, I'm going to be showing you this software which is basically claiming that it could make you money by simply uploading audiobooks which has been created by this software, and you could be uploading to Amazon and making money with it. So make sure you guys stay to the end of this review as I'm going to show you if this is worth your time. If you're new to my channel, my name is Vijay Koshi, and if you want to get my 5-step proven system that has helped me to quit my 9-to-5 job with affiliate marketing, you can click the first link in the description. So what this system is claiming is that you could be uploading these audiobooks to the Audible platform. I know you might already know what the Audible platform of Amazon is. It's basically you could upload all these audiobooks and you could cash out like in royalties for each book that people buy. So that's how it works. And apparently what this software does is that it would create you these done for you audiobooks already that you're going to be uploading to the Audible platform. But the real question is, can you really make money using this software? To be honest and frankly, I can say that you're not going to be making this $25 to $50 passive income over and over again. I can assure you that the reason is that if you actually look at these celebrities who are actually uploading these all of these audiobooks, they are quite popular, and the reason why they are getting so much sales is because they are popular and they have a huge social media influence. If it's someone like you who doesn't have any influence, or someone who's just a normal human being who doesn't have followers or anything like that, you're probably not going to make a single sale. I can promise you that you're not going to be making any sale. It's actually easy to make these done for you audiobooks, but the proof of concept of making money on the Audible platform is that you have to be known by the world. If you're not someone who is not known by the world, I don't think the software can help you in a bit. Now, even if you are someone who's known to everyone and you are looking for a product to, make money, I feel like AZ Instant Payday can help you somewhat, but I don't think it can help you, because I think it's better if you make your own audiobook if you have a good amount of community that is following you. And one more reason why I don't recommend the AZ Instant Payday is that this is the owner of the person who actually made this product. And if you look at this guy, he's one of the top 1% venter in Warrior Plus. He's a superstar venter, and also he has got 20 featured offers. So that sounds really good, but if you actually go ahead and look at his other products, all of his products are not that great. If you look at the reviews, it doesn't have that many good reviews. So he has got 88,000 sales, so he's probably a millionaire. Glenn Koshi is a millionaire, and he has got almost 1857 reviews, and the rating he gets is only 3.15 star review, which is actually very, very low. So in Warrior Plus, anything above 4-star review is actually a great product, but 3.5 star review, not even 3.5 star, it's 3.15 star review, which is actually very, very low if you consider the other products in Warrior Plus. And if you look at his last 5 products, his last product didn't get any review. And this AI money printer, which I have reviewed before, it's also not very great. It's only 2.32 star review, as I've predicted this before as well. And this particular product also 1.8 star review, and this has got 1.92 reviews. Imagine getting 1.63 reviews and you have made like 250 sales. He gets a lot of sales because this website over here have made so addictive, or it's so attractive that anyone would fall for this. So even if it were me, I would have fallen for this. If you look at the sales video, even I would have fallen for the scam. But if you actually look at the Venta and his other products, it's clear now. After today, when it's launched, it's going to be launched in 5 hours at the time of recording this video. This product is also going to be listed here, which is the AZ what was the name, AZ Instant Payday. It's also going to be listed here, and I don't think it's going to bring you any value, no matter if you have a big following, or if you're an influencer, or if you're someone who's just looking to make money. This is not the way to make money. And even if you want to go ahead and buy the product, you can go all the way down till here. So you have to go here and you have to basically press the get instant access now button. It's only $17, and also you get a 30-day money back guarantee, so you don't have to worry about that. But if it were me, I wouldn't personally purchase it, because I don't think it's worth your time or any way, because I don't think audiobooks that is done for you is going to make money. You have to make your personalized audiobooks, and you have to have some followers on Instagram or other social media platform, or you have to be just famous, like you see in the screenshot over here, where basically an audiobook of Elon Musk, or all of these are like basically famous people like Britney Spears. So that's why. And all of these amount you see over here, it's all fake, guys. This could be easily manipulated, and all of this is really not true. Don't believe this. Even I could make a website that is absolutely, eye catching like this, with lots of fake screenshots on payment. Even I could do that. So don't fall for the scam. Now, if you're still watching this video, if you're wondering for a way to make big money online, I'm talking about a way to make $5,000 to $10,000 per month. If you're looking to make that kind of money, I would like to suggest my 5 proven steps that has personally helped me to quit my 9-to-5 job with affiliate marketing. It's a free affiliate marketing guide. If you want to check it out, make sure you click the first link in the description. So that's it, and I hope to see you on another review video. Take care.